Good morning, ma'am. This is Kay Monteverde, and this is my report. So, net mending. Net mending refers to the process of repairing torn or damaged part. Ang net mending ko is a process kung paano mag-repair sa torn or mga guba ng net. So, there are 3 ways of mending net. First is the simple mending, patching, and lacing. So, tatlo sila. Kung sa simple mending, simple lang. Ang mga gagmay lang ang mga guba, mga parts ng net, amo na ang kung amo lang ginakayo, kung amo lang gina-repair, that is simple mending lang. Pero sa patching naman is done when repairing the large torn part of the net by cutting a part of a separate net and patch the torn part of the damaged net. So ang patching is gakat sila sang other net to put it sa damaged part sang net nga may large torn part, something muna that na patch. Tapos sa lacing naman, on the other hand, is applied when repairing the side meshes of the torn part of the net. So ang lacing is ang kilid lang gid sa mesh net, sa meshes, side meshes lang gid nga guba-guba sa net muna sa ang lacing. Preservation. Rotting is inevitable, hence fishers exerted efforts to prolong the functional life of fishing gears. There are several methods employed, which include the regular cleaning, drying, smoking, soaking in tanning solution, and treating with chemical preservatives. So the regular cleaning, fish corals are preserved by simply removing the fallen organisms. So, gina-remove ko nila ang falling organisms. So, anong falling organisms? It's like, ang mga algae, ang mga, ang tawag siniman. Okay. So, ang falling organisms is marine life, like algae, barnacles, mga mussels, tube worms, bacteria, muna siya. So, gina-remove ina siya. So, amo na ang regular cleaning. So, drying in direct sunlight while the gear and on the ground is discouraged as it make the thread brittle. Net should be dried by hanging in the shade. So, ang net ko should be dried by hanging in the shade. Dapat dry gid para nga hindi siya dasig guba. Smoking, practice to deter the growth of microorganisms. So, soaking in tanning solution, extracts from the barks of woody plants. The bark of tabigi and bakawan is commonly used in coastal areas of the country. Treating with chemical preservatives, potassium bichromate, copper naphthenate, copper sulfate, copper oxide. So, amo siya ang mga chemical preservatives. Na next part sa akong report is designs and fabrication of self-fishing gears in the Philippines. So, scad, mackerel, sardine, persine. Okay, for sardines and scad, the net measures is 540 to 720 meter long and 108 to 144 meter deep. So, ang kalabaon niya is 540 to 720 meter long and 108 to 144 deep. Ang kadalumon niya. So, the mackerel persine is 720 to 900 meter long and 126 to 144 meter deep. So, may kinalain, diba? Ang sardines and mackerel. So, a deeper net is necessary as mackerel are observed to stay in the deeper layers and are more mobile than sardines and scad. So, mackerel ko ay mas dalom ang ginastiyan nila na layer. So, sa sardines and scad. So, the netting used in knotless nylon with sizes from 210 B/9 to 21 in the body and wing portions, and 210D/24 to 36 at the bunt section. So, mesh sizes range from 20 to 33.8 mm at the bunt and 30 mm to 60.9 mm at the body and wing. So the selvage uses 210 over 30 to 210 over 120, 38.1 and 152.4 mm mesh sizes. So next is tuna per scene. The first type of net or inshore tuna per scene measures 720 to 1080 meter long and 144 to 250 meter deep. So lapad na sa diba? The inshore tuna net uses 210D/30 to 48 in the body, and sa wings is 210D/60 to 72 at the bunt portion. Ang mesh sizes naman niya range from 50.8 to 76.2 mm in the bunt section. Okay, sa bunt section nga. Sa wing portion naman niya is 88.9 to 203.2 mm. Amo na sa ang size sa mesh size na range nila. So, ang second type of offshore tuna per scene net measures 1,080 to 2,160 meter long and 216 to 324 meter deep. So, the offshore tuna net uses 210/60 to 168 in the bunt, while sa body and wings is 210/36 to 60. So, ang mesh size naman vary from 88.9 to 127 mm sa bunt, and sa body and wing is 76.2 to 254 mm. So, commercial ring net. So, commercial ring net measures 500 to 800 meter long by 100 to 150 meter deep. So, commercial naman siya. Common netting are 210D/15 to 24 for the bunt and 210D/6 to 12 for the wings and body. So, mesh sizes vary from species to species and range from 17 to 30 mm. The netting for the selvage is 210/26 to 36 with mesh sizes of 50 to 80 mm. So, floats measuring 9 cm times 9 cm by 12 cm by 500 gram each. Muna sa ang netting sang selvage. The lead sinker is number 6,110 gram per piece and measures 25 mm by 35 mm. So, rings are made of stainless steel of 10 mm thickness and 75 diameter. So, next is